No, well, my nickname at work, I walk in the morning, the boss turns around and he says, hello, Choo-Choo. Choo-Choo. We've all got nicknames at work. There's only 5 of us at our place, and we've all got nicknames.
It's not as bad as some, I'm sure, you know, some people have got. So.
Is it showing the picture that way?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Oh, yeah.
You're going to have a special one here, a special shot like no one else has got.
A bit limited to where we can go at the moment, but as a tester.
As an experiment, it's really interesting to see.
Cool,
I'm going to have to get one of those wagons, aren't I? It actually holds it perfect. The only thing is, obviously, because it's in front of the wheels, you get that really sort of, if there's curves on your layout, you get that sort of, like it's in the scenery and going really fast. But I suppose if you could set it back, if you could modify it as in sort of like not have a bit of it.
Do you want to run that one straight out?
Kind of, it's not this and that,
We'll just run the train past it, shall we?
yeah, that'd be great. It's a good bit of kit going around my back of that as well. This means I've got something slightly different to show people as well.
There you go. Look, work coming over.
Thank you guys. Enjoy your day. Technology that you see. The chap down there said that I needed to show you this anyway. He said, you'll love this. Yeah. I'm a technology, I love it. As you can see, yeah. Yeah, so it's DJI. And then the model is Osmo. Yeah. Mine's an Osmo 1, but you probably want an Osmo 3. But obviously, Osmo 1 is 100% offline, and Osmo 2 I think is
The vocal's not running very smoothly. There you go, you've had the full run through.
Fantastic, thank you very much. That is awesome. This is where I find I didn't actually press record, but I actually have for once.